assuming P of k is true. If a P of k is true, what is that? In the place of n, substitute k. P of k is to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k is equal to k into k plus 1 by 2. Other than n, if I substitute k, I'm getting same equation I'm getting or not, I'm checking. Instead of n, I'm substituting k. I got this same way. So this is the equation one I'm taking. Next, third equation, third step is P of k plus 1 is also true. P of k, we shall prove that. We shall prove that P of k plus 1 is also true. P of k plus 1 is also true. What is the P of k plus 1? I'm taking here LHS only. What they given? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k. I'm writing. What is the next term will be? K term become k plus 1. Yes, so many students they do mistakes. I know P of k plus 1 is difficult. I'll tell you why it is difficult. Suppose the one first term is k. What is the next term will be k plus 1. So first term is k square. What is the next term will be? K plus 1 whole square. Now first term will be k minus 1 whole square. What is the next term will be? K minus 1 next term will be k square. How do we know? In the place of k, substitute k plus 1. K plus 1 minus 1 whole square means plus 1 minus 1 cancel, become k square. And so many students will do mistake. For suppose 2k is there. What is the next term? Is everyone tell 2k plus 1 is the next term. Is wrong actually. Why is wrong? In the place of k, substitute k plus 1. 2k plus 1 plus what is the answer will be? 2k plus 1 will be 2k plus 2. So answer will be next term will be 2k plus 2. It is a common mistake. Okay, don't do those mistakes. Now I'm writing P of k plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k plus 1. I know the result equation 1. I know the result equation 1. What is this? What I'm drawing this line k. I know the answer from here 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k is equal to k into k plus 1 by 2. Replace that. If I replace it, what is the answer will be? If I replace, what is the answer will be? K into k plus 1 by 2 plus k plus 1. We know the answer. What should we get? See here, I have n into n plus 1 by 2. Suppose here for this equation, if I substitute in the place of n k plus 1, your answer should get this. K plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 2 will be k plus 1 by 2. Your answer should get this. So I have to stop here. If I get this answer, I have to stop there. So I know the what the answer should for k plus 1 also. I'm taking LHS till this answer is coming. I'm doing okay. This is the method P of k plus 1. Now I'm taking LCM k into k plus 1 into 2 into k plus 1 by 2. I'm taking k plus 1 out. If I take it k plus 1 out, what is remaining? K plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. Now only I told if I substitute in the place of n k plus 1, I got the answer k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. I got that answer. Stop here. So maybe in your textbook or maybe any other online classes, maybe they made you confused. You have to write in the form of in k plus 1 plus k plus 1 plus 1. In this format, no need to write that format. You stop here only. What is the conclusion? Therefore, P of n is true for n is equal to k plus 1 whenever n is equal to k, or whenever P of k is true. Whenever P of k means P of k is true means P of k plus 1 also true. You are telling the statement. What is the final conclusion? Till here, if you do, you get 4 marks. 1 marks where they'll give 1 marks is last step. P of n is true for by using PMI. By using PMI. PMI means principle of mathematical induction. By using PMI, P of n is true for all natural numbers or all natural number, all integers, something we have right. All natural. 5 marks question. Confirm 1 5 marks question in this topic. Okay, can we go with the next question? If some student they asked it out or clarify. Okay, next. We'll go with the textbook question. Try with the first question. Only one exercise in this chapter. Try. You can WhatsApp me in a group or some in a WhatsApp in a group, no problem. Try the first question. Exercise 4.1, first sum. Try. If you have doubt, you can clarify. Start with this. 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus so on 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 3 power n minus 1 by 2. This is the question. Right? First, what they given question? Take it P of n. P of n is 2, 1 plus 3 square plus so on plus 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 3 power n minus 1 by 2. This is the question, correct? Yes. Try. Sorry, in the place of any you take any value, you can take value, but suppose n is equal to 1. If you give n is equal to 1, you take it first term. If n is equal to 2 means for sum of first term, means suppose n is equal to 2, if they given is become 4. Here if n is equal to 2, if you given, it should get 4 here, like that. So better you take it 1. That is the idea. So LHS, put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. What is the first term here? LHS is equal to 1. RHS, what is RHS will be 3 power 1 minus 1 by 2. It means 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 will be 1. So RHS is equal to 1. If LHS is equal to, both are equal 1, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. What is the conclusion? Therefore, P of n is true for n is equal to 1. This is a full exercise, a full chapter. This is the method. Statement also not changed. Next statement, assume P of k is true. Assume P of k is true. Assuming P of k is true means assume P of k true. What is the P of k? Is to 1 plus 3 square, so on 3 power k minus 1 is equal to 3 power k minus 1 by 2. Till here if you do, you get 2 marks. 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this. 2 marks you'll get. So nothing I did. I changed instead of n, I'm putting to k. That's all. Take it as equation 1. Till here finished. I'll move to next type. Next question. Next question. Sorry, next type. Next P of k plus 1. What is that? We shall prove that. We shall prove that. We shall prove that P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true means P of k plus 1 is to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. Sorry. We have to prove that P of k plus 1 is true means 1 plus 3 square plus so on 3 power k minus 1 is equal to plus, what is the next term will be 3 power k minus 1 in the place of k replaced by k plus 1, it becomes 3 power k. So next I know this some answer here from equation 1. What is the equation 1 here? I know this answer, I know here 3 power till 3 power k minus 1. I know some answers. I replace it. What is the answer will be 3 power k minus 1 by 2 plus 3 power k. Before that, before is going to solve issue, you know where to stop. Here in the place of n, if I put n is equal to k plus 1, your answer, I'll write for reading, your answer should come this. So I have to stop there. 3 up to 3 power k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. If I get this answer, I want to stop there. Okay, till that answer I have to solve. Maybe division, maybe LCM, maybe any what you know till mass, you can apply everything. So is equal to here what happened? 3 power k minus 1 by 2 plus 2 into 3 power k by 2. I did 2 is the LCM for this. Next is a 2 times of x is a 1 times of x. Like 2x plus x you can write as 3x, correct? Like the 2 power 3k, 1 power 3k. It means 3 power 3 times of 3 power k minus 1 by 2. It's like again a power m into a power n. So a power m into a power n will be a power m plus n. It means it becomes 3 power k plus 1 minus 1 by 2 is the answer. 3 power k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. I got this answer. I know this answer should come. So therefore, what is the conclusion? Therefore, P of n is true for P of n is true for n is equal to k plus 1 whenever P of k is true. Maybe in your diksha they'll teach like m is n is equal to m, n is equal to m plus 1, n is equal to k, or n is equal to k plus 1, both are same. Don't get confused. Their final conclusion, by using PMI, what is that? P of n is true for all natural number, all for all natural number. Capital right N. That's all. 5 marks. Confirm 1 5 marks question. Okay. I have some chat. I'll see that. Guys, it's too low. Try with sequoia question number 2. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 1 plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Same method. P of n, what the given question, take it P of n, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube is equal to n plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is the question. Now, what do you do? LHS put n is equal to 1. So if you put n is equal to 1, what is the first term here? LHS is equal to 1 cube will be 1. RHS put n is equal to 1. 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. It means 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 by 2 whole square. It means 1 square will be 1. So RHS is equal to 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, P of n is true for n is equal to 1. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Next, P of k, what is that? Assume same method, nothing change. We assume that P of k is true. Assume that P of k is true. P of k is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube so on plus k cube is equal to k into k plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. This is the equation. Take it as equation 1. Finish writing. Next, take it P of k plus 1. We shall prove that P of k plus 1 is true P of k plus 1 is P of 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, so on, plus k cube. What is the next term become? K plus 1 whole cube. How do you know? In the place of k, substitute k plus 1. That's all. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 1 plus k cube plus k plus 1 whole cube. Now, I know this answer. What is this answer? I'm taking LHS for k plus 1. I'm taking LHS. I'm proving RHS. So now what your answer should come? You should know. What is your answer should to come? In the place of n, I'm substituting k plus 1. My answer should be k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2 whole square. My answer should be k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2 whole square. Okay, this is the my answer. Now till that answer I have to solve it. Okay, now what is this? A 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube will be? I know the answer by from using the equation 1, k into k plus 1 by 2 whole square plus k plus 1 whole cube. Now take the LCM. If I take the LCM, what is the answer will be? K square k plus 1 whole square by 4 plus k plus 1 whole cube. LCM I'm taking 4 k square into k plus 1 whole square plus 4 into k plus 1 whole cube by 4. What is the common term in the both? I think k plus 1 whole square is common. Take it out. If I take it k plus 1 whole square out, what is the remaining? K square plus 4k, 4 into k plus 1 by 4. My answer is not matching. I know my answer should be, my answer should come this, but my answer is not matching. Till that answer I'm solving. What is that? K plus 1 into k plus 1 whole square into k square plus 4k plus 4 by 4. This is like a square plus b square plus 2ab. It means I can write as k plus 1 whole square into k plus 2 whole square. If you open the bracket, I'm getting this answer by 4. It means I can write as k plus 1 into k plus 2 divided by 2 whole square. This is the answer. Okay, now my answer is matching. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Till you are finished. Your voice is not here loudly. What can I? Okay, next. What is the conclusion? Therefore, P of k is true for conclusion. Therefore, P of k plus 1, P of n is true for n is equal to k plus 1, and P of n is true for n is equal to k plus 1, and by using PMI, this equation is true for all natural number. That's the conclusion. Try with the next question. Prathamesh, what is that? From reading some confusion. Why reading confusion? This is what I'm greening. What I draw the greening. That is the answer I know. I'm substituting that k equation from equation 1. After that, I'm taking open the bracket here. K square into k plus 1 whole square by 4. I'm taking LCM. K plus 1 whole square. Take it out. It become k square into 4k plus 4k into 1. It become k plus 1 whole square into k square plus 4k plus 4. It means k plus 1 whole square into k plus 2 whole square by 4. It means k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2 whole square is the answer. Clear? You have doubt? I'm not able to hear you, sir. Why? What is the problem? I think it's an internet issue. Maybe I'll stop the class. I don't know. Yeah, I'm in college, but I have internet issue. I'll check it once. Okay, thank you.